left, mid and right functions allows one to extract only part of the contents of a certain cell. Assume we have data from a store with products of which every product has item number, like shown on the screen. The item number is a string of letters where the first 3 digits describe location of an item, the 4 middle letters describes the item type, and finally last 2 digits describes the size of the product. To separate location, item type, and the size of the product in 3 other cells, we'll have to use mid, right, and left functions. We have Mr. John in the studio to lead us through these functions. So, John, how can we separate the first 3 digits?
Thanks, Nancy. To separate the first 3 digits, one will have to use the left function. To perform the operation, start with equals sign followed by word left. First, select the cell you need to extract these characters. Then put a comma. After that, count how many characters you need from the left side. For our example, we need 3 characters. So input 3, then close the brackets and press Enter on your keyboard. As you can see, we have our first 3 characters separated.
Thanks for the first part, John. So tell us, how are we going to separate the middle part?
To proceed with the middle part, mid function will come into play. Just start with equals sign, then write mid function, like so. Select the cell from which you will extract the data from. Then here we have to put the start number. The start number is the number that we need to start counting from. Since we need the middle characters, then we'll have to begin counting from the 5th character. Put a comma. Then we are required to put the number of characters from the 5th character. Here we'll put 4. From there, close the parenthesis and click Enter. Then our result is like so.
Thanks, John. San. Now lead us on the final part.
Sure, Nancy. For the final part, we'll have to use the right function. To perform this operation, start with the equals sign and type right, like so. Then we select the cell we want to examine. After selecting this cell, count the number of characters from the right side that you want to produce. In our case, it's 2 characters from the right, so we proceed to input 2. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. There, we have it all. Thanks, Nancy.
This is really cool. Thanks for the tips to our viewers. Wish to see you on the next video.